Con bơi. Con bơi.
ये हमारा परिस्थिति है ये राज्य में कि हमारे संग सिर्फ पॉलिटिक्स होता है। आज मैं अनिमेश, श्रीधाम, डेविड, अनंत बाबू, पतल कन्या और जो भी हमारे संग है, जॉइंट मूवमेंट अगेंस्ट सीएबी है, सीएए है, हमारा क्या नुकसान होगा। आज बांग्लादेश में एक कोटी 97 लाख माइनॉरिटीज हैं।
Hello and welcome. This is Chandan Pandey. Today I'm here in TTADC Khumlung, and you can see right behind me there is a huge motorcycle rally that has been flagged off by the former PCC president and the Royal Sikh Pradyut Dev Burman. We'll have a chat with him and we'll try to find out what this is all about. Sir, what's your response?
No, we've been doing big rallies. Obviously, apart from Eastern Mojo and a few other medias, very few media houses actually report, national media at least. Now we've decided that we've been doing big rallies. Now we've decided to get a core team of young bikers and numbering in over 300 people, 300 bikers, and they'll be going from village to village, spending nights there and touching every village. And we have pamphlets, we have leaflets, and we're going to give small town meetings and inform people why we are against CAA. We are not against any community, we are not against any religion. We want to preserve our distinct identity, language, culture, and also population is a big problem. So we are going to do this. This is going to be for the next 18 days. They're going to be traveling across the state, spending nights, having small meetings, spending the night in those villages itself, and spreading. Because this is a revolution which has to be given not to the senior people, but to the youth. And today we have started this initiative.
But what we see on ground, people sometimes they do allege that this is a move ahead of the ADC elections to get some personal mileage or to boost some political party.
Yeah, well, if it is a move before the ADC election, I think this is a move before the West Bengal election to win West Bengal. Those people who are alleging that there's a move should realize that this is a move to win the West Bengal election. That's why you bought in CAA.
And it has just started.
I mean, जो कांच के घर में रहते हैं उनको किसी और के ऊपर आरोप नहीं करना चाहिए कि पत्थर फेंकने के लिए वो खुद नंगा हो जाएंगे.
So such rallies will continue across the state?
Across the state, in the villages. The most important part is that this has to go to the villages. People should not come and watch a rally where, oh, the Maharaja is speaking, so we are going. It has to be on issue. It can't be bigger than me. It can't become bigger than an individual. This has to be a movement which is for the people, and people need to understand that today we do not have employment, we do not have education, we do not have proper infrastructure. Our population is a problem, and here you're inviting people from Bangladesh to come in. Why are you exempting a few states and not us? Because this is a game of vote bank politics. This is a clear game of vote bank politics. The BJP came to power in Tripura on various schemes like Manrega, like 7th Pay Commission, Bekar Bata, smartphones for children, job employment. Today they're not talking about all that. They're just talking about getting people from across the border. So what has happened to your election promises? And then when we oppose, they say, oh, but we came to power. You never came to power on the promise of Citizenship Amendment Act. You came to power because the people of Tripura wanted to throw out the communists. And today we are saying, go back to your issues where you came to power for.
Thank you, sir. So we heard from Maharaja Pradyut Dev Burman. He has flagged off a rally and that will continue throughout the state, informing the people about the Citizenship Amendment Bill and to aware them about the doings of the state government. This was Chandan Pandey reporting from TTADC Khumlung. Keep watching East Mojo. Thank you.